So today we will start the first chemical sensor, that the electrochemical sensors. The main uses of the electrochemical sensors is first, it is the breathing analyzer. Breathing analyzer for detection of alcohols. The main traffic police, they use this electrochemical sensor for driver drinking the alcohol. So the fumes of that alcohol or gases of that alcohol, that is it is analyzed by breathing analyzer. It is the electrochemical sensor. Second application of electrochemical sensor, it is the monitoring the CO2, CO, NO2, chlorine and other dangerous gases in the environment to control the environment quality. Third, there is a Act of Pollution Control Board. Pollution Control Board. In every industries, there is a online monitoring of 24 hours of effluent gases. When in chimneys, industry there is exhaust, and in exhaust there is a effluence of dangerous gases in the environment. CO2 and other gases are effluent in environment. In Pollution Control Board Act, it should be monitoring the gases online by 24 hours. So we put these chemical sensors near about on that exhaust. We will monitoring the CO2, NO2 gases in 24 hours. So this is the main application. Next application is the in metallurgical or other industries, there is a process controls. We use the electrochemical sensors. So main the electrochemical sensors, principle of electrochemical sensor. The main principle of electrochemical sensors are, there is the oxidizing or reducing the gas. Oxidizing or reducing the gas and reducing gas on electrode. Oxidizing or reducing gas on electrode, that monitoring the current, changing the current or measuring the current. So from this principle, the electrochemical sensors are working. So the sizes of electrochemical sensors are very small. Like our cell batteries, everyday cell batteries or other cell batteries, this is the sizes, very small sizes, or the small watch sizes also sensors available. So in that cell, it is known as the cell. So in cell it contains the two electrodes. One is the cathode and second is the anode. Anode and cathode is inserted in the, it is known as cell. So anode and cathode is inserted in the cell. As like in practical, we dip the two electrode in beaker. So in the very small sizes, the anode and cathode is deep, and it contains the electrolytic solution. Electrolytic solution. And the anode and cathode is attached to battery or provide a special initial voltage. So when a gas like oxygen or CO is inserted in this cell, it is deposited near the anode or cathode, and the reaction is proceed by oxidation or reduction of these gases. By oxidation or reduction of these gases, a special we will provide a voltage here. When there is a deposition of gas on anode or cathode, there is a oxidation or reduction of that gas. When there is a oxidation or reduction on that gas, there is a flow of current. For the flow of current, for measuring the flow of current, the current is directly proportional to the quantity of gas present in the solution or that sensor. So the sensors are like this. This is the suppose this is the sensor sizes. In these sensors, inserted a small quantities, two electrolyte, one is the cathode and one is the anode, and also inserted a small micro voltmeter, and also put the electrolytic solutions. When any gas comes from atmosphere from this sensor, and it is mixed with electrolyte solutions. So the gas CO2 or other gases, they are deposited on cathode and anode. So when they are deposited on cathode and anode, then there are oxidation of the gases or reduction of the gases. When oxidation or reduction take place, there is a flowing the currents. So for measuring the currents, we measure the quantity of that gas present in the atmosphere. So this is the principle of the electrochemical sensor. So generally, next we will see what is the components of electrochemical sensor. There is the three main components of electrochemical sensor. First component of electrochemical sensor are gas permeable membrane. So this is the electrochemical sensor. First is the gas permeable membrane, and second here is the present sensing electrode. Next kept the reference electrode, and third is the counter electrode. So this is the main block diagram of the sensor. So the sensor, it contains three electrodes: sensing electrode, reference electrode, and counter electrode. And topmost layer, topmost is the present the microporosity hydrophobic membrane. Here is the one is the membrane presented here. So the use of this membrane, first is the membrane. Porosity membrane. So first component of electrochemical cell, it is the porosity membrane. So the membranes are in the pores. Small pores are on the Teflon sheet. So when we made the electrochemical sensor, it is a topmost layer, it is covered with this membrane, gas permeable membrane or hydrophobic membrane. So the topmost layer or closer the topmost parts of the electrochemical cells, it is the hydrophobic membrane. So the membrane, it is made up of the Teflon sheet. So in Teflon sheet there is a small pore. So the main, it is a very important aspect for this porosity membrane. So in atmosphere, various gas are present. CO2, NO2, CO2, CO, NO2, and other gases are present. But we will use here, we will measure only one gases. Suppose here these electrochemical cells are made up mainly useful for carbon monoxide. So the Teflon, the porosity membrane, it only allow the CO gas in the electrochemical cells. So the pore size or the sizes of the capillary size inserted in the capillaries in this cell. The capillary size is choices to about the measuring of that special gas CO2. If we here the sizes are not special, so there is a various gases are coming inside the this membrane. So this membrane is a very specially made up of. So when that special gas CO is checked, only CO gases come inside the membrane. So this is the main use of the first membrane porosity. Second parts of the electrochemical cells are sensing electrode. So the two electrodes are present. One is the cathode and anode. The sensing electrode. The electrode are made up of platinum. Typically, there is the main electrodes. Generally, we use the copper electrode, silver electrode, gold electrode, or other electrode. But they are there is the use of the this sensor is the we put in 1 year or 2 years. It's not rigorous. So the main the electrodes are made up of first platinum. Mostly cases the platinum electrode are used, or lead electrode are used. Lead, gold, silver, these are the other all electrode are used in the electrochemical cells. Next is the third part, the electrolyte solution. Electrolyte solutions are we use acidic medium or basic medium. The electrolyte solutions are must carry the ions efficiency to perform the stable reference potential with a reference electrode. And here we attach the reference electrode. The reference electrode, here is the three electrode system. Okay. One is the sensing electrode, counter electrode, and reference electrode. Current is flow from the sensing electrode and counter electrode. Reference electrode is present here only for stable the voltage. This is no flow of current. So this is the all about the general parts of electrochemical cells. So we will see next the reaction of electrochemical cells. So in electrochemical cells, first oxidation at anode. Oxidation at anode or acidic in condition. So we use the electrolyte in two conditions, acidic or basic. Acidic in condition. So the reaction is 2Pb plus H2O. It gives 2PbO plus 4 times H positive plus electron. So this is the acidic condition. And in oxidation and reduction, O2 plus 4 times H positive plus electron. It gives rise to H2O. Here is the reduction of oxygen. Here the measurement of the oxygen gas. So for oxygen gas, it is come in the electrolytic solutions. So electrolytic solutions will come in the oxygen. there is a reaction between oxygen and this electron to form the H2O. Addition of hydrogen is the reduction. Here main general reaction is Pb plus O2. It gives rise. It is reversible reaction. 2 times PbO. So this is the acidic medium. Second, it is the alkaline medium. Alkaline medium. Alkaline medium we use the NaOH or other alkaline bases with the 4 OH negative alkaline ions, formation of PbO plus H2O plus 4 electrons. Next, O2 plus H2O plus 4 electron produce 4 times OH negative. So this is the main reaction. So in university ask the questions, note about the electrochemical sensor for 3 marks. So here we total discuss about the electrochemical sensor. Firstly, we will see the application of electrochemical sensor. So majorly the application of electrochemical sensors are to analyze the hazardous gases. So in industries, various gases are exhausted. So these gases are analyzed by electrochemical sensor. We will also the electrochemical sensor put on to see the leakage of gases. So the alarm system when there is a leakage of gases. Next, there is the use of this sensor. It is the online analysis of COD, BOD, and other uses. So, for first we will see the gas diffuses. Here, the gas diffuses with the surface of electrode, and it involves the oxidation or reduction. Or current is directly proportional to gas concentration flow between anode or cathode. Hence, the measurement of current, we measurement the gas concentration. From also the use of this electrochemical sensor, it is the ethylene gas monitoring, propylene gas monitoring, methylene gas monitoring, hydrocarbons gas monitoring, methane gas monitoring. There is a various very lot of uses of this electrochemical sensor. So this is all about the electrochemical sensor.